Welcome to Reviews Heaven. Today, we're diving into the top 5 best egg cookers that'll make your mornings smoother, tastier, and exceptionally easy. Whether you love hard-boiled, poached, or fluffy omelets, these gadgets are here to save you time and effort in the kitchen. From compact designs to versatile features, we've got the perfect egg cooker for every need. Stay tuned as we break down the highlights of each product, their unique features, and why they're worth adding to your kitchen arsenal. And don't worry, we've made shopping simple. You'll find all the product links conveniently listed in the description box below. So, let's crack into it and find your perfect egg cooker. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay updated on all our latest reviews and recommendations. Number 1. Dash Rapid Electric Egg Cooker. Eggs, anyone? Say hello to the Dash Rapid Egg Cooker, the gadget you didn't know you needed. This little wonder cooks up to 6 eggs at once, soft, medium, or hard-boiled, faster than you can argue over who gets the last piece of toast. And it's not just for boiling. You can poach eggs or whip up an omelet, all in under 12 minutes. Breakfast just got a whole lot easier. This egg cooker is so simple to use. Even your sleepy self at 7 a.m. can handle it. Just pour water using the handy measuring cup, press a button, and let it work its magic. The auto shut-off ensures you won't accidentally make egg-flavored rubber. And clean up? A breeze. Just toss the trays in the dishwasher. Who knew cooking eggs could be this stress-free? Compact and lightweight. It's perfect for tiny kitchens, dorm rooms, or RV adventures. It's so light, you might mistake it for a toy, until it starts delivering perfectly cooked eggs. Plus, its sleek design will make your countertop look fancy, even if you're still in your pajamas. For picky eaters or busy mornings, this is the ultimate egg hero. So, why crack under pressure? Let the Dash Rapid Egg Cooker handle it all. Number 2. Elite Gourmet Rapid Egg Cooker. Who says cooking eggs has to be hard? The Elite Gourmet EGC007B #Rapid Egg Cooker is here to crack that myth, pun intended. This handy gadget cooks up to 7 eggs at once, whether you like them soft, medium, or hard-boiled. It also handles poaching, scrambling, and steaming omelets. Basically, it's the superhero your breakfast routine needs. Say goodbye to egg drama with its built-in timer, auto shut-off, and a buzzer that politely yells, "Your eggs are ready." The measuring cup even comes with a piercing pin to prevent cracks, so your eggs stay intact and peel like a dream. And those golden yolks? Chef's kiss every time. This egg cooker is small but mighty, fitting snugly into any kitchen, dorm, or RV. It's so lightweight you might think it's a toy, until it serves you the perfect omelet. Plus, the dishwasher-safe parts make cleanup faster than you can say omelette du fromage. From quick breakfasts to deviled eggs for the office potluck, this gadget does it all. It's not just an egg cooker, it's your new breakfast buddy. So why stress over eggs? Let the Elite Gourmet Egg Cooker handle it, yolks and all. Number 3. Hamilton Beach 3-in-1 Electric Egg Cooker. Eggs, eggs, and more eggs. The Hamilton Beach 3-in-1 Electric Egg Cooker is here to turn your kitchen into an egg-cooking paradise. It can handle up to 14 hard-boiled eggs at once. Yes, 14. Perfect for big families, meal prep, or that one friend who eats eggs like they're going out of style. Plus, it's not just for boiling. This little powerhouse poaches eggs and makes omelets too. Talk about a triple threat. Using it is so easy, even your morning zombie self can manage. Just add water, press a button, and voila, perfect eggs every time. No more guessing or dealing with overcooked yolks. It's like having a personal egg chef, minus the apron. Poaching eggs? Normally a kitchen nightmare, but not anymore. This gadget makes it so easy you'll feel like a pro. And for omelet fans, it's a dream. Add cheese, veggies, or even last night's leftovers for a breakfast masterpiece. Who needs a skillet when you've got this? Compact and sleek. It's perfect for hectic mornings or lazy brunches. So, why settle for basic breakfasts when you can have excitement every day? The Hamilton Beach Egg Cooker is here to save your mornings, one egg at a time. Number 4. Evoloop Rapid Electric Egg Cooker. Mornings can be tough, but the Evoloop Rapid Egg Cooker is here to save the day and your breakfast. This handy gadget cooks up to 6 eggs at a time, whether you like them soft, medium, or hard-boiled. And it's not just for boiling. With trays for poaching and omelets, you can mix things up and pretend you're a brunch chef, all without breaking a sweat. Using it is a breeze. Add water with a measuring cup. It even tells you how much for your perfect egg style. Hit the button and wait for the buzzer to say, eggs are ready. The removable egg tray makes cooling and peeling so easy, you'll wonder why you ever boiled eggs on the stove. Compact yet mighty, this egg cooker is perfect for dorms, camping, or anyone with a tiny kitchen. It's small enough to store but cool enough to leave on your counter. Plus, it's so efficient, you'll save time, water, and maybe even your sanity on busy mornings. From deviled eggs to egg sandwiches, this gadget does it all. So why let mornings scramble you? Let the Evoloop Rapid Egg Cooker handle your eggs, because you've got bigger fish to fry. Number 5. Bella Rapid Electric Egg Cooker. Meet the Bella Rapid Electric Egg Cooker, the tiny gadget that's big on breakfast dreams. This sleek little wonder can boil up to 7 eggs at once, poach them, or even whip up mini omelets. It's like having a personal chef, minus the fancy hat and paycheck. Using it is as easy as cracking an egg, literally. Add water with a measuring cup, hit the button, and relax. The clear lid lets you keep an eye on your breakfast masterpiece, and the auto shut-off with a friendly beep ensures you won't end up with rubbery eggs. Perfect every time. No exceptions. Peeling boiled eggs is usually a test of patience, but not with the Bella Egg Cooker. It's so easy, it might even make you smile before coffee. And cleanup? Dishwasher-safe trays mean no scrubbing, so you can get back to more important things, like eating. Compact and stylish, this egg cooker fits into even the tiniest kitchens. Whether you're whipping up egg salad, deviled eggs, or just a quick snack, it's your go-to gadget. Plus, it makes a cracking gift for your exuberant friends. So why wait? Make every meal extra special with Bella. And that wraps up our review of the top 5 best egg cookers. We hope you found your perfect egg cooker among our top picks. Don't forget, all the product links are in the description box below for you to check out. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more reviews. Thanks for watching Reviews Heaven. See you next time.